Before the timber falls, before the forest yields, there is a tool, a symphony of raw power and precision engineering. Today we reveal the unseen assembly of a chainsaw, the untamed force that shapes our world. First, the beating heart, the engine block. This compact two-stroke marvel is where fuel ignites to create explosive power. Every piston, every bearing is engineered for extreme forces, delivering the raw torque needed for relentless work. To feed the beast, the carburetor, precisely mixing air and fuel for optimal combustion. Then the spark, the ignition coil and spark plug, delivering the fiery jolt that kickstarts the engine. A robust pull cord system readies the power, transforming a simple tug into a roaring engine. Now, the control and safety. Ergonomic handles provide the grip for precise operation. Inside, the centrifugal clutch intelligently engages the chain only when the engine revs high, while the instant chain brake offers crucial protection, stopping rotation in milliseconds. Power must always be paired with control. Finally, the edge. The guide bar, a hardened steel track, is mounted. Then the saw chain hundreds of razor-sharp teeth, each designed to cut through dense material. Tension to perfection, this is the business end, ready to bite deep. From individual components to a force of nature, this is the Untamed Power. If you were captivated by this intense assembly, hit that like button and subscribe for more unseen assemblies of engineering marvels. What powerful machine should we build next?